Hello student, today we have going to start some multiple choice question MCQ and also answer on engineering materials under mechanical engineering Module-7. All these multiple choice questions are very important for competitive exam. Question number 1. Ductility of a material can be defined as, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Ability to undergo permanent deformation, large permanent deformation in tension. Ductility means increase in length under tensile force. Question number 2. Malleability of a material can be defined as, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Malleability of a material is its ability to undergo large permanent deformation in compression. Malleability is the ability of material to be hammered into a thin sheet without breaking under compressive force. Okay. Question number 3. In compression, a prism of brittle material will break. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. In compression, a prism of brittle material will break by shearing along oblique plane. Oblique plane divides the body at an angle between the horizontal and vertical plane. Okay. Question number 4. Inconel is an alloy of, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Inconel is an alloy of nickel, chromium and iron. Because inconel alloy are oxidation, corrosion resistance material. It is oxidation and corrosion resistance material. Okay. Question number 5. Cyaniding is the process of, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Cyaniding is the process of adding carbon and nitrogen by heat treatment of steel. Cyaniding, it is a case hardening process. It is mainly used for low carbon steel. Okay. Question number 6. Induction hardening is the process. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Induction hardening is the process of hardening surface of workpiece to obtain hard and wear resistant surface. Induction hardening, it is a type of surface hardening in which a metal part is induction heated and then quenching. Quenching means rapid cooling. Okay. Question number 7. Process of ostempering result in. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Ostempering result in formation of bayonet structure. Ostempering, it is a heat treatment process for medium to high carbon ferrous metal for bayonet structure. Bayonet structure, it is higher ductility, toughness and strength. Okay. Question number 8. Vanadium in high speed steel, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Vanadium in high speed steel form very hard carbides, thus increases wear resistance. Vanadium can refine the grain structure of the steel, which increase wear resistance. Hard carbide, because it form hard carbide. In HSS, vanadium contain 1%. Okay. Question number 9. Manganese in steel increases it. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Manganese in steel increase tensile strength. Okay. Question number 10. Which of the following is the binding material in cemented carbide? There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Binding material in cemented carbide is cobalt. Okay. Question number 11. Cemented carbide tool are not found to be suitable for cutting. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Cemented carbide tool are suitable for brass, cast iron, aluminum, but not suitable for steel. Not found to be suitable for cutting steel. Okay. Question number 12. Sulfur in steel. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Sulfur in steel lower the toughness and transverse the ductility. Question number 13. Tensile strength of steel can be safely increased by. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Tensile strength of steel can be increased by adding carbon up to 0.83 63%. Okay. Question number 14. The hardness of steel increases if it contains. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Hardness of steel is increased if it contains martensite structure, because martensite is a very hard form of steel structure.
Question number 15. Pipes for bicycle frame are made of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Pipe for bicycle frame are made of cold rolled steel. Cold rolled steel, because cold rolled steel is the common term of steel product shaped by cold working process carried out nearly room temperature, such as rolling, pacing, bending and stamping. Okay. Question number 16. Corrosion resistance of steel is increased by adding. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Corrosion resistance of steel increased by adding chromium and nickel. Question number 17. Bell metal contain. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Bell metal contain 70 to 75% copper and rest is tin. Rest is tin. Okay. Question number 18. The alloy used for making electrical resistance and heating element is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Alloy making electrical resistance and heating element is nickel. Nickel is the electrical, has properties of electrical resistance and heating, to resist electrical resistance and heating. Okay. Question number 19. Monel metal contain. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Monel metal contain 63 to 67% nickel and 30% copper. Okay. Question number 20. Low carbon steel can be hardened by. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Low carbon steel can be hardened by carburizing and cyaniding, surface hardening process. Carburizing and cyaniding.